In celebration of Pride Month, members of the LGBTQIA++ community gathered here in UP Diliman and filled the streets with pride and love.
From rainbow flags to creative outfits and loud cheers, thousands of members of the LGBTQIA++ community and their allies celebrated this year's Love Laban Pride Festival, spreading love while continuing their call for equality.
Nakaka-excite and nakakatuwa kasi ito yung inaabang natin na once in a year opportunity para sa community na magsama-sama. I think isa lang naman po ang boses naming lahat at ito ay pantay na karapatan para sa lahat. Regardless of your gender, identity, expression, size, and status.
We're here po kasi we want to show our support sa event na binigay ng QC para sa community. You should experience na pumunta dito kasi makikita mo yung pagiging full potential ng pagiging bakla.
Beyond the celebration, the whole day event featured 4 performance stages, Pride Villages, and the main highlight, Pride March, where thousands of members rallied for love, acceptance, and inclusion.
Masaya po na tayo, nagtipon-tipon tayo dito para ipakita natin yung mga advocacy natin para ipaglaban ang LGBTQ. Sana po makapasa po ang SOGI bill para maging pantay-pantay ang mga LGBTQ sa mga batas na nakukuha natin.
Spearheading the event, Quezon City Mayor Joy Belmonte highlighted the city's commitment to providing a safe space and promoting equal rights for all.
This Pride March is a protest, a celebration, lahat-lahat na. Pero ang importante, magkaisa tayo dito, ipakita natin na dito sa Pilipinas at syempre sa Quezon City in particular, lahat ng tao pantay-pantay ang turing at ipaglalaban natin ang karapatan ng bawat mamamayan na makatanggap ng serbisyo katulad ng iba, makatanggap ng mga karapatan katulad ng iba, na sila ay maging libre or free, ligtas sa lahat ng uri ng karahasan.
And as Pride Month draws to a close, the message of Love Laban lives on, reminding Filipinos that pride is not only a celebration, but a continuing call for equal opportunities. Kapatid Mobile Journal, Daniel Dayaw, we are One News.